As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best prices on tools and parts we use in today's video. Today, I'm just going to be giving you a quick overview, not a full in-depth video, but how to replace the alternator on this 2019 Subaru Outback. It's a rare privilege to have the capability to check on a car so new, so I just want to do a quick overview and show you how easy it is to change the alternator in the Subaru. Let's check it out. Okay, y'all, so first thing, battery. I just took the battery out, but make sure you take the negative battery terminal. It's a 10 millimeter. Go ahead and loosen that up, take that off. You don't want to pop a fuse or anything or see sparks fly. Next, you probably could just go ahead and take this cover off. It's a 10 right there. And let's see what else we got. It looks like we got a 10 right down in here. Then this piece will come off and out of your way. Next, we have a tensioner right here. That should be maybe like a 15, and when you spin it right, it will loosen. If you watch me pull on this belt, let's see, you can see it ever so slightly, it moves. So it's this one right here, and you'd spin your ratchet right, that'll loosen the tension, then you can just slide the belt off. Then you'll pop this cover off. You're gonna have like a 12 millimeter nut right there. Then you're gonna come over here, you're gonna squeeze and pull this connector. This connector will just pop. That connector will pop right off. And then you only got 2 bolts left. Looks like you got probably like a 12 right here, and then a 12 sitting right behind my finger. You take that off, and this alternator just comes right out. So that is a quick overview. You do all that steps, you'll get your alternator right out. So sorry again, I couldn't do the full in-depth. It's a brand new 2019 vehicle, but I wanted to get it while it was so fresh. Just didn't want to take this off. Want to respect the car lot and everything. So thanks for watching.